Yeah, students, today we are going to see coordinate geometry. See, coordinate geometry is very useful in finding the distance and slope of any lines, etc. So, we need to understand what is coordinate geometry and what are the things comes in this chapter which will be helpful for us in our day-to-day life. So, first of all, I will explain how it works. Now, what is this? This is called a number line. Everybody knows this is a number line. Now, see what is the distance between 1 and 3? See, 1, 2. That means how you are getting? That means suppose this is O, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. See, this is a number line. I have taken 4 points or on the right hand side and 4 points on the left hand side. You very well know that the things or the numbers which are right side of the origin will be positive and the number which comes in the left side of the origin will be negative. Okay. Now, I told you what is the distance between C and A. I told you 2. How to find out? See, distance between A and C equal to C minus A. What is C? 3 minus A? 1. Here, what is the condition is C should be greater than A. The value of C should be greater than the value of A. Now, similarly, what is the distance between O and D? What is the distance between O and D? You can very well say 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means you will have to subtract D minus O. Here D is greater than O. That is 4 minus 0 is equal to 4. So, similarly you can find out the distance between any 2 points on the number line. Now, one more thing we will see. What is the distance between H and E? Distance between H and E equal to, now look at this, minus, see what is the coordinate of G? Minus 3. What is the coordinate of E? Minus 1. So, minus 1 and minus 3, which is bigger number? Minus 1. So, that should come minus 1 minus, what is H? Minus 4. So, minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to 3. Here, which is greater? E is greater than H. So, therefore, so what we have written here, E minus H, since E is greater than H. So, which is the larger quantity, which is the smaller quantity. So, first you have to find out that smaller quantity has to be subtracted from the larger quantity. That is what the things. Now, the same thing we will apply to our distance formula. For example, now listen very carefully. Here again, this is 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 etc. minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So, this is O, A, B, C, D, E and F. Now, what is plus 2? Plus 2 is called the coordinate of A, coordinate of B. What is minus 1? minus 1 is called the coordinate of the point D. So, these are all called coordinates of the points mentioned above them. Okay. Now, with this knowledge, we will try to find out the distance between any two points. Now, for example, this is x-axis, origin x dash, y-axis y-o, y dash. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So, we have taken, okay, like this. Now, look at this. Here I have taken one point P. This is another point Q. Okay. So, distance between these 2 points, can you tell me? 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here, what is the coordinate of this? This is 1, 0. Because on the x-axis, y coordinates will be 0. It is 2, 0. It is 3, 0. It is 4, 0. Because any point lie on the x-axis will have y coordinate 0. Similarly, this will be what? 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4. Because in y-axis, x coordinate will be 0. Okay. Now, we want to find out the distance between. Okay. Now, here what we will write? See, coordinates, how we will write? x1, y1. Every point will have coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinate. Okay. So, this is x coordinate, this is y coordinate. This is, we will call it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. Correct? Now, I wanted to find out the distance between PQ. Distance between PQ. PQ means what? I told you this is Q minus P. Because Q is greater than P. Okay. Q is greater than P. Now, what is Q? 4. What is P? 1. Okay. Now, what is 4? X4. What is 1? X1. So, distance between PQ is X4 minus X1. So, this is one concept. Now, listen very carefully. If I want to find out here one more thing. PQ. Here R, S, T. Okay. Now, I wanted to find out the distance between R and T. R and T. Which is bigger? T coordinate is bigger. So, T minus R. Because T is greater than R. Okay. What is T? 3. What is R? 1. But what is 3? It is x1, x1, y1. This is x2, y2, x3, y3. So, this is y coordinates, y3. This is y coordinate, y1. So, if you are finding the distance between any 2 points on the y-axis, that will become y3 minus y1 or whatever. Here what you have seen? x4 minus x2. Okay. That means in general, now generally we will do it. What is that? Suppose P x1 comma 0, x2, x3, or here we will say x2 comma 0. So what is distance between P and Q? x2 minus x1. Here you see here, for example, it is y1, it is y2. Okay. So what is the distance between S R equal to S minus R equal to y2 minus y1. If x2 is greater than x1, here if y2 is greater than y1. So first one will be the bigger one coordinate, second one will be the smaller coordinate. Similarly here also, first one will be the bigger coordinates, x coordinate, here smaller x coordinate. Now, listen very carefully. Here 2 points we have taken, P x1 y1, Q x2 y2. We have taken 2 points on this plane, that is in the first quadrant. Now how to find out the distance between these 2 points? Now listen this. This is x1. This is x1. This is x2. This is y2. This is y1. This is y1. This is y2. So this is what? y2 minus y1. Now listen very carefully. This is x2. This is x1. So what is this? This portion x2 minus x1. Listen, this concept you should understand, then you will understand coordinate geometry. Now listen, I have taken 2 points P and Q. What is the coordinate of P? x1, y1. What is the coordinate of Q? x2, y2. Now, since this is x1, y1, this distance is x1, this distance is x2. So what about this distance? x2, say, you have to subtract this one, that is x2 minus x1. See, this is a rectangle. So since it is x2 minus x1, it is also x2 minus x1. Now the whole thing is y2. But see, this is y1, therefore this is also y1. So what about this? So from the whole you are subtracting y1. So it is y2 minus y1. Now here what type of triangle you are having? Right angle triangle. So okay, right angle triangle means what? Pythagoras theorem. In triangle PRQ, PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. So what is PR square? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. It is PQ square. Now I wanted the distance of only PQ. So we have to take square root. So PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That's all. This is called a distance formula. Now I will explain one sum, then you will understand. Followed or not? x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. That's all. Now we'll solve some, you will understand. Find the distance between A 2, 3, B 4, 1. Okay. So, now let us take, this is A 2, 3, we call it as x1, y1. B 4, 1, let us take x2, y2. Okay. Now, what is x1? 2. What is y1? 3. What is x2? 4. What is y2? 1. So, what is the distance formula I said? By distance formula, what is distance AB? Square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. x2 is what? 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 3 the whole square. 4 minus 2, 2 square. 1 minus 3 minus 2 square. So, 4 plus 4 equal to square root of 8. So, what is the distance between A and B? Therefore, distance between AB equal to square root of 8. That's all. If you want, you can simplify. What you will simplify? Okay. So, square root of 4 into square root of 2. What is square root of 4? 2. 2 root 2. This will be the simplified answer. Okay. Now, next sum. It is minus 5, 7. P minus 5, 7 and Q minus 1, 3. Same thing. Suppose coordinate of P are x1, y1 and Q are x2, y2. Okay. So, now you are writing P, Q. What is that? Minus 5, 7. You take it as x1, y1. You take minus 1, 3, x2, y2. Okay. Now, we have to write. Therefore, x1 equal to minus 5, y1 equal to 7, x2 equal to minus 1, y2 equal to 3. Therefore, by distance formula, PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is x2? Minus 1 minus 5 whole square plus what is y2? 3 minus 7 the whole square. So, you have to be very careful. Minus 1 plus 5. 3 minus 7 minus 4. So, minus 1 plus 5, 4. 4 square plus minus 4 square. So, 16 plus 16, 32. So, you can write 16 2s are. So, square root of 16 into square root of 2, it is 4 root 2. So, this is the answer. Any difficulties? So, this way you should understand how to find out the distance between any two points. Only thing, you should write clearly what is x1, y1, what is x2, y2. Then just you take those values and substitute in the formula. Now, one more sum we will do. Find the distance between L 5 comma minus 8 and M minus 7 comma minus 3. So, solution. Suppose same thing, the coordinates of L are x1, y1 and M are x2, y2. So, L 5 comma minus 8, you assuming it as x1, y1, M minus 7 minus 3. So, x2, y2. Okay. Therefore, what is x1? 5. What is y1? Minus 8. What is x2? Minus 7. What is y2? Minus 3. So, by distance formula, same thing. LM equal to square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So, we will substitute the values x2 minus 7 minus 5 the whole square plus, you have to be very careful with the sign, plus or minus, it makes a lot of difference otherwise. Okay, y2 minus 3 minus 7 minus 12 square plus, you see, plus 7. So, 4. So, 144 plus 16, 161, 169, no, minus 3, achha, here 8 it is, sorry, it is, y1 is minus 8, y2 minus y1, 8. So, this 5 square, it is 25. So, 169. What is the square root of 169? 13. That is the answer. Okay, now next one we will see. Type 2. Collinearity. Now, saying, suppose these points are on the same line, therefore, they are called collinear points. Here, points A, B and C are on the same line. Hence, they are called collinear points. Followed or not? So, what is collinear points? Collinear means if they are on the same line. Suppose this is 3, this is 4. See, distance between AB is 3, distance between BC equal to 4 and distance between AC equal to say 7. Okay. Now, how to check whether they are collinear or not? Now, you see, distance of AB plus distance of BC equal to 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. But what is 7 here? Distance of AC. So, therefore, distance of AB plus distance of BC equal to distance of AC. If this condition is satisfied, if this condition is satisfied, then ABC are called collinear points. Okay, now we will see examples. Type 2. Determine whether the following points are collinear. A 1 comma minus 3, B 2 comma minus 5, C minus 4 comma 7. Now you see, you are given 3 points A, B and C. Now as I told you, we will find out the distance between AB and BC and then AC. Okay. Whether sum of any two distance are equal to the third one, then we can say all are collinear. So now solution. A now you are taking these two. So we will find out distance between AB. What is that? X2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So this you assume as x1, y1, x2, y2. So what will happen? 2 minus 1 the whole square plus minus 5 minus minus 3 the whole square. 1 square plus minus 5 plus 3. 1 plus C minus 2 square. 1 plus 4 equal to square root of 5. Okay, you have taken 2 points. Okay, now we are taking other 2 points. Which one? B and C. Now, so distance between BC you wanted. So again same formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Assume that this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. What is that? Minus 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 7 minus minus 5 the whole square. Minus 6 the whole square plus 12 the whole square. 36 plus 144. 160, 180. If you simplify, you will get 6 root 5. Okay. Now we will take AC. Now you see 3 points. We have taken AB, you have taken BC, you have taken now AC. Now what is C? Minus 4 comma 7. So we will find out distance between AC. This is now x2. Assume that x1 y1, x2 y2. Minus 4 minus 1 the whole square plus 7 minus minus 3 the whole square. So minus 5 the whole square plus 10 the whole square. So 25 plus 100, 125. So factorize it. So 5 root 5. So this you take it as 3 and the first one is 2 and then 1. Now we will see 1. What was the result? 1 root 5. What was 2? 6 root 5. Now we will see d of AB plus d of BC. Okay. What is AB? Root 5 plus 5 root 5. It is 1 root 5 plus 5 root 5. How many root 5? 6 root 5. But what is 6 root 5? We got it now. No. This is AC. AB and AC. So what is 6 root 5? It is distance between BC. See, distance between AB and distance between AC equal to distance between BC. Therefore, points A, B, C are collinear. That's all. Now one more sum we will do. L 2, 3 M 1, minus 3 and N 5, 4. Now what we will do? By distance formula we will take distance between LM. Okay. So we have taken L 2, 3 M 1, minus 3. Okay. So 1 minus 2 the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square. So minus 1 the whole square plus minus 6 the whole square. So 1 plus 36. Minus 2, 3. So see, very careful. And 1, minus 3. So 1, 1 minus, this is minus 2. So it has become 3. So 9. So it will become 45. So 45 means 9 5s are 45. So it is 3 root 5. This is equation 1. Now we will take LM we have taken. Now MN. M is 1, minus 3. N is 5, 4. So distance between M, N equal to square root of 5 minus 1 the whole square plus 4 minus 3 the whole square. So 4 square plus 7 square. 16 plus 49 equal to square root of 65. Now this is 2, second. Now third one we will find out. See, we got LM, MN and LN. So 5 minus 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 3 the whole square. So 5 plus 2 the whole square plus 1 the whole square. 7 square plus 1 square. 49 plus 1 equal to 50. So we will factorize it. 5 into 5 into 2. What is square root of this? 5 root 2. So 3, equation 3. we got. Now we have to check, the sum of any two distance should be equal to the third distance. So here now adding equation 1 and 2, that means distance between LM plus distance between LN equal to 3 root 5 plus 5 root 2. Whether it will be seen or you will see, you take it 3 here, 3 3s are 9, 9 into 5 plus 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. So now you see, it is not equal to square root of 65. Therefore, not equal to distance between MN. Therefore, see, distance between LN is not equal to MN. Therefore, points LM and N are not collinear, because if you add any two, that is not equal to the third one. So naturally they are not collinear. Okay.